So we are number 33. At F, it says use the cumulative frequency graph to calculate the percentage of athletes who complete the race in less than 45 minutes. About how many athletes completed the race in less than 45 minutes? Okay, you may want to know that for some particular reason, for analysis that you are doing. Now, to get an idea as to how many or the percentage of athletes who completed in less than 45 minutes, you go to the cumulative frequency graph. Here we have already constructed the cumulative frequency graph. So you can use the snipping tool, create a picture of the cumulative frequency graph, go to the worksheet, the whiteboard, sorry. You go to insert and you go to drawings and you paste that image in drawing. Now, 45 minutes now is on the x-axis. On the x-axis, that's where you've got time. Time is in minutes, is in the x-axis. It's represented on the x-axis. So to locate 45 minutes, you gotta go on the x-axis. On the y-axis, you've got the cumulative frequency. What you do now, you draw a vertical line from 45 upwards to touch the graph. What you're going to get is an estimate. So here we have touched the graph. And from there, you trace a horizontal line towards the vertical axis. So take note, is the opposite procedure to obtain the quartiles. The quartiles, you start from the cumulative axis and then you go touch the graph and you come down to the horizontal axis. But here we are starting from the horizontal because we've got 45 minutes and we go up and go across to find the number of students, of athletes that completed in less than 45 minutes. So we are seeing 50 here. This 50 implies that this 50 communicates that there were 50 athletes who completed the race in less than 45 minutes. That's what this 50 is communicating. So we can say, therefore, 50 athletes completed the race in less than 45 minutes. Now recall the question asked, what is the percentage? Calculate the percentage. So the total number of athletes is 85, yes? So it's 50 out of 85 times 100. Converting a fraction to a percentage, and this will give us how much? So therefore, 58.82% of the athletes completed the race in less than 45 minutes. Although this is not part of the question, but what if you want to find the percentage of athletes who completed the race in more than 45 minutes? How would you calculate that? How many athletes completed the race in more than 45 minutes? Anybody can tell me how many of them? So therefore, if there are 85 students and 50 completed the race in less than 45 minutes, that would be 85 subtract 50. So 35 athletes completed the race in more than 45 minutes. Okay, and just to interpret the percentage, 58.82% of the athletes completed the race in less than 45 minutes. And to calculate the percentage now of more than 45 minutes, we would have to subtract 58.82 from 100. Okay, so 58.82 from 100, that'll be how much? Therefore, 41.8% of the athletes completed the race in more than 45 minutes.